we're going big on the fruit trees this year. We're going to put in about 10 fruit trees in the next 2 months or so. So anyway, I had my gardener guy put in all of these irrigation things. You can see where all those sticks are. Those are bubblers for irrigation. So I've got some other things over here. This one, I just put this one in yesterday. This is a Tangelo. It's my dog Bella behind it. Anyway, so I got a Tangelo tree right here. You can see I've got my guava tree up there. Guava is looking awesome. Man, I've got big guavas this year. So I'll tell you what, let's go take a look at the other trees we're putting in. First off, we've got this, we've got a reed avocado. Reed avocado is my favorite one. Reed avocado is like a softball, man, and it's all like really buttery. So we've got this one, we got to put this tree in. Check out, see what else we got going here. We are in San Diego, California. San Diego it's time to start planting in San Diego, man. It's January, so it's time to start planting. I've got 2 trees I've got right here. I've got a, these are both olive trees. This is a, first one, littler one is a Frantoio Olive. This bigger one is Ascolana Olive. So we've got 2 little olive trees we got to put in. So I tell you what, let me show you what else I got. I just got a package. All right, check it out. So we got a package. So, you know, the way I do planting is I go crazy or I don't do anything. So I can tell you this year we're going crazy, man. So check it out. I'm gonna open this up. I'll show you what I got. Don't mind the dogs in the background. I got 2 Dobermans, Bella and Aria. They're around me all the time. I'm like their best friend or something. You know, man's best friend. So check it out. So we got fruit trees. So here's what we've got. So we've got this shipment is 4 fruit trees. So remember, we've got the avocado, the reed avocado. We got to plant. We also got to plant some of these things. So I got these trees from groworganic.com. I think their products are actually pretty good. I buy a lot from them. So that's where I bought a lot of peppers that I grew before. I'm going to grow more peppers this year too. But again, let's check out, see what I got here. First one I have is, Shinseiki pear. Oh man, have you ever had the Shinseikis? Oh man, it's like an Asian sort of pear. Dude, this is gonna be awesome. It's a good sized looking tree, right? Looks pretty good. Cool, that one's gonna be awesome. So we got a Shinseiki pear coming. We also got Red Baron peach. So Red Baron peach tree looks pretty good. Let's see, what's next? We've got the flavored Grenade Pluot. Oh man, dude, have you ever had a Pluot? Oh man, Pluots are good, man. Pluots are good. So we've got a Pluot, flavored Grenade. I think they've got 2 different kinds of Pluots. They've got flavored Grenade and another one. I don't know if you can really go wrong with a Pluot, but I got the flavored Grenade. And I got, what's this one? And this one does not have a label on it. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have to look up to see what I had in my order, and I will put the name of whatever it is I got here. It did have the tag. It was just in the box. It must have fallen out. It is an Aprium. Summer Delight Aprium. So if you haven't had an Aprium is a cross between an apricot and a plum. Apriums are awesome. So here's the idea. So the idea is this. We are going to plant a bunch of stuff on my hill. So I've got a southwest facing slope. I'm in San Diego, California. I've got a southwest facing slope, which gets a lot of sun. As I mentioned, I had an irrigation guy come in and just water the crap out of it, right? So I've got tons of water up there. I've got trees. I've got a southwest facing sunny slope. I'm putting in planters to put them all in. And tell you what, like and subscribe to the channel if you want to follow the journey. And we've also got some other things coming. And I can tell you, I've got another shipment coming too of some exotic stuff. So this is going to be cool. So like and subscribe, and I will see you in that next video.